I'd show you all the steps, and I'm going to do it. And I almost forgot the name of the bike already. It's been so long. Yeah, right. All right. The Afrikander tires are rubber. I like to let them outside in that, just like any rubber. See how soft it's getting out here? Now, I'll show you. All right, is this thing filming? Yeah. All right, now watch. Don't turn the camera off. But I need two hands. Okay. Take your tire, get it in a stable position. I grip my teeth because it takes a lot of hand strength to do this. You would not believe. Whoa, you got it. See? There's your rubber. Nicely done, Mustang. Oh, yeah. Beautiful thing. All right. Just like the old days, huh? Wow. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Wow, look at that tire. Look at that rim. Wow, like that old oven finish, you know? That porcelain that porcelain finish. Wow, man. Holy smokes. Okay, all right, don't get so freaked out over just paint. It's just amazing.